Breathe out. In. Okay. Correct?
अब दिमाग का भी करना है।
हाँ कर। Breathe in.
दिमाग।
Breathe out.
अयो।
Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out.
अयो।
Yes.
देवड़ा।
This is tight. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Give this hand here. कम दिस साइड, थोड़ा सा इस तरफ आइए, हल्का सा इस तरफ शिफ्ट, नहीं आपको थोड़ा सा नीचे आके इधर शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा। यस यस थैंक यू। वो नीचे वहाँ से होलो है ना, हल्का हल्का सा इस तरफ आ जाइए बस। थैंक यू। कीप योर हैंड रिलैक्स। एल्बो नीचे, लूज। ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट। ओके डाउन। You heard that sound?
Yeah, I heard it too.
Come this side. Really good. Relax. 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 Breathe in. Breathe out. Put here. Relax. Loose. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. This is one more sound. Leg straight. Yeah, beach में fine. If I can check with the foot, this is slightly shorter. One. Making it align.
करना क्या है डॉग?
Equal करो मैम, रिलैक्स कीजिए, ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट। Turn this side.
Oh God.
Relax. Half turn. Lock here. नेक ऐसे रखिए, ये वाले लेग को फोल्ड करना है, ये लेग को स्ट्रेट करना है, स्ट्रेट इसको यहाँ फोल्ड करना है, स्ट्रेट दिस। हाँ तो यहाँ प्रेशर, बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्रेशन। रिलैक्स।
चलो एक बार
होल्ड लाइक, ग्रिप लाइक दिस, या रिलैक्स। Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, done that side. I'm just pushing that sacrum down because sacrum is tilted na. Relax. Straight this leg, fold this leg. Yes. Lock. Lock कीजिए. Loose छोड़िए. Yes. Straight. This. Face that side now. ये नहीं, इसको इधर इस तरफ करना, ये वाला बस। थैंक यू। Breathe in, breathe out. So adjustment. One more time. On this. Lock. Yes, it's hurting. It's hurting. Okay. Relax. Wait for next 1 minute and then. Nitrogen release. Yes. Yes. Like this. Breathe in. Yo. Breathe out. Yeah. Get up, man. So it was real. Face that side, ma'am. This is the best way. Weight कितना भी हो. Ma'am, hold my hands. Yeah. Elbow touch. Grip your finger. Elbow. breathe in, elbow touch, breathe out, breathe out. Oh my God, relax. Ma'am, see this is a more stiff this time. Walk and check now. This is for 2 minutes. Walk and check that. And ma'am, here you will apply icing, and the rest you will do hot water and alum and salt water fermentation. Not on here, till it might not.
Okay.
Shower,
Okay.
because the muscle were tight. And alum. Overall,
I definitely do not feel any pain here. Normally, doctor, when I get up in the morning, I get up with pain.
because of this.
When I sleep with pain. So, when I get up from my
Ma'am,
sleep and
sit and stand. Check sitting and standing once. So we will know. Yes.
this is definitely better.
And get
I
up.
had
So
so
sitting and.
much of pain, doctor, when I, it's definitely lesser.
Yes.